Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Mikentires. For everybody that doesn't know, I am Mike. You ever been online looking at tires or gone to a tire shop? They're giving you prices, you're looking at them, and you get to two tires, and this tire looks exactly like this tire, but yet there's a $20 to $30 difference in price between the two tires. Why? Why? So today we're going to tackle that, and in order to do that, we need to go to my favorite place on earth. This is going to be my kitchen. Let's go over there. Wow, first time that's ever worked, because I'm getting better at YouTube. So the reason I brought everybody to the kitchen today is I really want to give a good representation of why there's such a cost difference between the tires instead of just telling you. So in order to do that, we're going to have to make some tires out of cake. Our first cake is going to represent our least expensive tire. It is a cake out of a box that we're going to follow the directions exactly using half a cup of oil, 3 eggs, and a cup of water. The second cake is going to represent our more expensive tire. Again, it's a cake out of a box, but instead of oil, we're going to use butter. Instead of water, we're going to use milk. We're going to use a standard 3 eggs, and then we're going to add ingredient X, aka vanilla extract, and then we're going to use a more precise machine in order to mix everything together. For cake number 1, we're just going to follow the directions. We're going to put everything into a bowl, and we're going to mix it together. With cake number 2, we're going to take more care. We're going to use the same mix. We're going to use a bigger mixer that has a bigger paddle to mix everything more consistently. And then we're going to add the ingredients one at a time, slowly, so that way they incorporate into the batter much more consistently. And for both cakes, we're going to use the same size pans and use the same cooking spray to keep them from sticking to the bottom of the pan. As you can see with these minor changes, there's already a big difference between the consistency of the batters. Both cakes are going to be cooked at 350 degrees per the box and for 28 minutes. Then we'll check them if we need to cook them any longer. Woo! Alright, so here we go. Final product. Which one do you think has the extra ingredients? Has the better ingredients? A or B? Because right now, they look the same, smell the same, feel the same, just like the tires. But the difference is, when you try it, that's definitely a box cake. Now it's good cake. It tastes fine. It's good. Try a bite of this guy. It's so much better. So much more flavor in this piece of cake. Now let's take back what we did to make this. We took the standard ingredients to make the less expensive cake. And it's good. It's not bad, just like the tire. It will work. They're really good as a standalone, but it could be better. So now we had to do a few extra steps to make this. We added better ingredients that cost more, took more time, better quality to make it, and adding the ingredients more consistently. And we also had to take more time to melt the butter in order to make this a better cake. But aesthetically, it looks exactly the same. But the taste is different. Translates exactly the same thing as tires. You buy a less expensive tire, even though it looks exactly the same as the other one, it's gonna do the job, but it's not gonna do the job as well as this. And really, so just like the tires, this one costs more to make. I had to use better ingredients, more time to prep it, better machinery to make it, mix everything better. So the cost is going to be higher. But I prefer this cake because it's just better. This is okay, and it will get the job done, and it tastes good. You serve this to me at a birthday party, I am not going to complain. I got a few pounds on me. You can tell I like my cake. And this was a really good excuse for me to make cake and not get yelled at. Comes with tires is exactly the same. The outside, the tread, and everything looks exactly the same, but sometimes it's just what really goes into a tire that makes a big difference. Everybody I know would prefer the more expensive cake, and same thing with tires. More expensive tires are better tires. So which one do you want? Leave in the comments below. Let me know. If you liked the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you later. I'm gonna eat some cake. You stick around as long as you want. I'll eat both these pieces for you. I don't care. It's really good cake. There's a big difference in flavor. You guys should really try doing this at home. It's a big difference. This is so much better than this. But I'm gonna eat both.